brave, you keep moving. Patient, you keep moving. There are mountains of Meghalaya Police. SI Ferry Hinge. The 4th platoon. The number 2 platoon is led by Cadet SI Raymond Karbuli.
उपस्थित अधिकारी, प्रेषक अधिराज अधिकारी, दीक्षांत परेड पर परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान। जय श्रीमान।
Uniformed personnel from a cadet to an officer, and the significance and grandeur of the day gets etched in the memory forever. Today, we see these smartly turned out young men and women basking in the glory of donning the uniform, taking their first steps in the service of nation and humanity. Sir, it's a moment of proud privilege for them to have been trained in this prestigious Northeastern Police Academy, which was honored with the prestigious Union Home Minister's Trophy for being the best training institute at national level in the year 2015 and 16 and 21 and 22. The Academy is also accredited Utkrisht organization by CBC and NEPA New Delhi in the year 2023. Sir, the 53rd batch of trainees had a total 90 training officers from four northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur and Nagaland, comprising of 27 DYSP probationers, 17 of them male and 10 lady officers, and 63 sub-inspectors, 47 male and 16 lady officers. The basic course started in December 2023, and after the completion of 50 weeks, today we have this occasion of the officer trainees passing out from the annals of the academy and to embark in their respective states for field training and various other attachments. During the course of their training, endeavors were made to impart all aspects of policing in them. In the indoor classes, training was given broadly in 3 categories: police science, legal science and social science. Pertinent to mention that the indoor syllabi keeps evolving in order to keep abreast with the latest developments, not only in the world of crime, but everything else around us. In consonance with that, emphasis was given to national security, investigation of cross-border crime, illegal immigration, cybercrime, threats posed by artificial intelligence, disaster management, and the use of social media, etc.
Great sense of happiness and satisfaction to be part of the 53rd passing out parade of the NEPA, where all the young officers, our DSPs, our SIs and other officials, other officers who have passed out today. I take this opportunity to thank our director for having invited me here to be part of this passing out parade. This is my second program or the second passing out parade that I have had the opportunity to be part of. And hence I thank the director and the entire team of NEPA for inviting me to be here. I also take this opportunity to congratulate our young officers who have passed out today. I congratulate the family members. I'm sure that this must be truly a proud moment, not just for the officers, but also for each and every family member who is present out here today. NEPA has contributed immensely to the safety and security of our region by contributing towards the training of our officers and the manpower in the different forces that we have throughout the states in the region of the Northeast. This academy was started in 1978. It's as old as I am. And through these last 46 years, more than 36,088 personnel have received training in this academy. And as we could hear from the report that was given by our director, that this academy has evolved. It has learned, adapted, and improved the different modules, the different areas of training that are required as per the situation and circumstances that are prevailing in the region and the world today. To the different officers who have benefited from the trainings that have been given in NEPA, we can see that everything from physical training to focus on the new laws, to focus on issues like cyber security, on different aspects of ensuring human aspects also are taken into consideration. This academy has truly evolved in the last many years, and the different officials who have received training here have really immensely benefited from the different modules that have been given to our young officers.